Welcome to Cybersecurity in 60 Seconds, where our goal is to quickly connect you to your cybersecurity world. I'm Mike Echols. Well, China is aiming to become the leading AI superpower by 2030, and a March report from the National Security Commission on Artificial Intelligence warned that the U.S. is ill-prepared to protect our digital systems. How can this be? The U.S. rules, right? Well, according to Business Insider, Google stopped working with the Pentagon in 2018 after 12 employees quit over a project where their software was being used to make drone strikes more accurate. A Pentagon official who was the first U.S. Air Force Chief Software Officer in 2018 has now also quit. He said he resigned because the U.S. is no match for China's AI capabilities, and we're watching a game from the bench. He said that agency's balling skills rivaled those of kindergartners. Clearly, being a step behind the cyber world will get your ankles broke and get you back down into the paint for an easy layup. In a LinkedIn post, the former civil servant explained that the begging for positions and the money just drained him. But that's the nature of the game, son. I say to his colleagues, hydrate and get back out on the court. Next man up. This is Mike Echols, and I'll talk to you soon.